My name is Felix Rosado. I'm the mobile maintenance lead here at SeAH Steel, and my job is to keep all the mobile equipment running. SeAH Steel produces casing and tubing for the oil and natural gas industry. JCB Wheel Loaders, we currently have 14. SeAH Steel purchased 3 facilities here, and one of them had 5 JCBs. But when it came time to purchase some more machines, we looked at the options and we preferred the JCBs to the competition. So we found a JCB loader to be a strong machine. The link assembly is a lot bigger than on some other machines. We've had minimal issues with pins for the cylinders and the link assembly, the lift arms. It's a really strong machine. Well, what I hear the most about the machines from the operators, what they like the most about the machines, is how sure-footed it feels compared to some of the other loaders we have here. It's just a much more stable machine. Some of our pipe is 45 foot long and it can be quite tippy. And there's not a lot of obstructions. It's got good visibility from the cab. As far as the hours on our machines go, we have our 2 newest loaders have 650 hours and our 2 oldest are about 28,000 hours. On the serviceability of the wheel loaders, I've noticed on the Stage 5, the newest 457s that we have, they've made some improvements as far as access to draining the oil on the machine, and some of the grease points on the machine are just easier to get to. Some of the hoses in the articulation area are easier to work on. It just seems like some improvements have been made. Well, the 457s that we have gone through 2 different engines, the Mercedes and now back to the Cummins. The 457s, they get a better fuel economy. They're quieter machines, and a few things have become more mechanic friendly also. Our JCB wheel loaders are pretty much all being used to move the casing and the tubing in the facility. We don't have buckets on any of them. They're all being used to load trucks and load the charge tables with pipe and casing. The biggest complaints we've ever had about the JCBs was the air filter. Till the 457s, the Stage 5 came out, and moving that air filter up top, I mean, I wish it could be here on a Friday, or I'd send you a video and show you the difference between one of them filters in the back of the machine low and what comes out of it, and a filter that's in the top of the machine. It's just relatively clean. It's been that in itself, I mean, that's going to protect the engine. So I've worked in this industry almost 25 years and have worked with a lot of loaders, and the JCBs really, they stand up. They're a tough machine. We have minimal downtime on them. We don't have huge electrical problems or hydraulic problems. The hoses are routed in a very good manner. It's a very dependable machine.